This is part 2 of my rant before. Laura, I think you need to add this bit because it's funny. I find it funny. So I have worked on an agricultural farm. Cows, chickens, horses, you fucking name it, they were there. I need to say, chickens are cunts. I fucking hate them. They smell, they're loud, they're just shit. And they don't do anything useful. I know people are going to turn around and say, alright, well, what's the difference between a chicken and your cat? Cats have that purr, man. They can fucking heal you and shit. Like, even dogs can, like, sniff out cancer and shit and save people. You're telling me to tell the difference between an animal that does shit and an animal that just eats and shits. Like, I'm not saying chickens deserve to be killed and eaten. I'm just saying I don't mind eating chickens because I fucking hate them.